In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see photos in Google Drive. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Google Drive. You'll then want to look for the link that leads directly to Google Drive, which often appears as the first option in your search results. Specifically, you'll be looking for the link with the URL drive google.com/drive quota. Clicking on this will take you directly to Google Drive, where the magic happens. Now, if you're not already logged in, Google will prompt you to sign into your account. Make sure to use the correct credentials associated with the Google Drive account where your photos are stored. This step is essential as it gives you access to your personal file storage. Once you're successfully logged in, ensure you are viewing the My Drive section. This is the main hub of your Google Drive, storing all your personal files, including documents, sheets, and, of course, photos. To streamline your search, you'll want to focus on locating the Type drop-down menu. This feature is incredibly handy for filtering your files by their type, making it a breeze to sift through documents and get to your photos. Clicking on the Type drop-down will present you with several options, one of which is Photos and Images. Go ahead and select this option. It's like telling Google Drive you only want to see the photos you've uploaded, hiding everything else from view. By selecting Photos and Images, Google Drive will sort through your files and display only the photos and images stored there. It's a fantastic way to see all your images in one place, without the distraction of other types of files. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily view all your photos in Google Drive. This method keeps your images organized and readily accessible whenever you need them. Whether you're looking to reminisce over vacation photos or find specific images for a project, this tutorial should have you well equipped to do just that. Remember, the more familiar you become with Google Drive's interface, the more efficiently you can navigate and organize your files, saving yourself precious time and effort. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.